Elon Musk's plan to defeat AI by merging with it. Elon Musk wants to fight fire with fire by turning us into AI. Today in this video, you'll discover why the richest man on the planet can't sleep at night. Elon Musk knows something we don't. He created OpenAI, but now calls artificial intelligence more dangerous than nuclear war. What did he see? What terrifying truth are they hiding from the public? And why is the only way out turning humans into cyborgs? What you're about to hear next could forever change how you see humanity's future. So where did this all begin? Guys, the story you're about to hear will change everything you thought you knew about who Elon Musk really is. Picture this. 2014. Musk is sitting in his office and realizes humanity is headed toward catastrophe. But not from climate change, not from wars, from what we're creating ourselves. Artificial intelligence is developing way too fast, and we have zero control over it. So what does Musk do? He decides to create OpenAI. Sounds noble, right? Save the world from evil AI. But listen to what happened next. This is absolutely insane. Musk pours millions into the project, his own millions. And then, boom, Microsoft shows up with a briefcase full of cash. And suddenly, the OpenAI becomes closed. Musk gets left out of his own creation. But you know what's really terrifying? He saw from the inside what this AI was capable of, and it scared him so much that he started saying, AI is more dangerous than nuclear bombs. Think about that. A guy who launches rockets into space is afraid of a computer program. And here's where the crazy logic kicks in. Musk realized something simple. When AI becomes smarter than us, we'll be like ants to it. Do you ask ants for permission when you build a house? That's when Musk gets this insane idea. If you can't beat them, join them. But not metaphorically, literally. Become part of the machine to stay in the game. Imagine a chess match where your opponent plays at God level. The only way not to lose instantly is to become a god yourself, even if it means you stop being human. Now get ready. Musk has already started turning people into cyborgs, and the first test subjects are already among us. You know what Neuralink is? It's not just a startup, it's humanity's survival plan disguised as a medical company. Musk says we'll help paralyzed people, but that's just cover for the real goal. Imagine a chip the size of a coin, implanted directly into your brain. Thousands of electrodes connect to neurons. You think, the computer understands. The computer thinks, you feel it. The boundary between human and machine disappears forever. Sounds like sci-fi? Here's a fact. In 2024, the first person with a Neuralink chip was already controlling a computer with his thoughts. Nolan Arbaugh played chess just by thinking about moves. This isn't the future. This is right now. But here's where the real horror begins. Musk isn't just planning to cure diseases. He wants to make all humans electrically enhanced. Thinking speed increases thousands of times. Memory becomes unlimited. Death from old age? Cancelled. And that's when the war of opinions begins. Sam Altman from OpenAI says Musk has lost his mind. Jeff Bezos invests in competing technologies, and Bill Gates warns about the dangers. But you know who supports Musk? Peter Thiel, the guy who created PayPal and was the first to invest in Facebook. He says, this is the only way to stay human in a world of machines. And here's the most terrifying part. What if we really don't have a choice? What if those who refuse the chip simply can't compete? Imagine a world where people with Neuralink learn a new language in an hour, while you take years. This isn't sci-fi anymore. This is a survival race, and it's already started. Now here's the main question that'll drive you crazy. What's left of you when the machine becomes part of your mind? Let's break down what merging means in practice. It's not just a chip in your head. Imagine, your thoughts flow into data clouds. Your memories are stored on servers. Your personality is code that can be copied, changed, deleted. Here's how it'll work. You wake up in the morning and instantly know all the world's news. Didn't read it, you just know it. Want to learn Chinese? Download it in a second. Need to solve a complex problem? Your brain connects to a supercomputer and finds the answer faster than you can blink. Sounds cool? Now think about this. Where do you end and the machine begin? When your thoughts are formed by an algorithm, are they still your thoughts? Here's the scariest part. Philosophers have argued for centuries. What makes us human? Soul, consciousness, or just a bunch of neural connections? If your brain is a biological computer, what happens when you plug another computer into it? Musk says, we're already cyborgs. Your smartphone is an extension of your brain. But there's a difference between a tool in your pocket and a chip in your head. You can turn off your phone, But the chip? Now, picture this. Two people with Neuralink can share thoughts directly. The boundaries between personalities blur. Are you thinking your own thoughts or someone else's? Are you still you or part of a collective mind? And here's the final blow. What if the enhanced humans decide that regular people are an inferior race? History shows us where that leads. Musk is offering us a deal with the devil. Become gods at the cost of our humanity. But what if humanity is the only thing we've got? So here's the most terrifying truth nobody wants to admit. Humanity no longer has a choice. Musk isn't just suggesting we become cyborgs. He's saying, either you evolve or you go extinct. There's no third option. And the scariest part, he might be right. Think about it this way. In 10 years, enhanced humans will run the world. They'll be smarter, faster, stronger, and regular people, they'll be left as zoo exhibits for tourists. But here's what's really scary. Musk knows something he's not telling the public. Why did a guy who dreamed of colonizing Mars suddenly focus on brain chips? What did he see in AI development that made him panic like this? So here's the question that keeps you up at night. Are you willing to sacrifice your humanity for survival? Or is it better to stay human and accept defeat? Write in the comments. Would you get a Neuralink chip? And subscribe to the channel, because what's happening with AI right now will change the world forever, and it might not be for the better.